How to uninstall Pokemon Go game app. If you no longer need this game and you want to free up space on your smartphone, then the best thing to do is to uninstall it. To do this is pretty simple, just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started, first access your apps, and from the apps, go through them to find your Pokemon Go app. To remove this game app, just long press on it and you can see we have this option to uninstall. If you tap on uninstall, this will remove the app together with its files. If you don't see this, you should see app info option. You can also use this route. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access the Pokemon Go game app info page. Here now you can see we have this option to uninstall. I'll just tap on it and then okay. Now within no minute your app should be uninstalled on your smartphone. You can see now it is gone. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Pokemon Go game app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.